Hi, my name is Lum Wai Yuan with metric number 271190. Now I'm going to present with my title is Coca-Cola and Complex Supply Chain. The first question is, how did they build such a powerful system? The supply chain begins with the procurement of raw materials. The Coca-Cola company basically used their original recipes, which is coca leaf, and also use agricultural products like fruits to make their concentrate. After making the concentrate, the Coca-Cola company would send to the manufacturers, which is their bottling partners, to manufacture the products. The process to produce product by the bottling plants involve turning concentrate into syrup and mixing with sugar, water, and carbon dioxide. The bottling partners being able to choose only the type of sugar used. In Europe, mainly beet sugars is used. In Asia, cane sugars, while in Americas, sugar from corn syrup. After local processes finish and package, the finished beverages would send to the warehouse to storage the products. After that, would distribute to the retail outlets such as grocery stores, restaurants, cinemas, and others. And finally, reach to consumers to purchase and consume their drinks. The second question is, what lies behind the supply chains of Coca-Cola? The first answer is focus on local sourcing. Coca-Cola is a global company that operates at local level. It has more than 900 bottling and manufacturing facilities across the world. It serves 1.9 billion in a day. The Coca-Cola company focused on local sourcing because it could optimize the supply chains. The company established manufacturing plants near to the place where sugar go, so it takes the less time to ship the sugar to the manufacturing plants. The few risks exist in its supply chain. The second answer is contribute to the socio-economic development. In terms of economy, the Coca-Cola company generates income to contribute the economy of a country. They add value in the retail business to support the industry. They also pay tax to the government of a country, as well as provide job opportunities to the local communities. In terms of social, they emphasize racial equity and social equity. Next, ensure healthy life and promote well-being for all at all ages, which they have taken action on sugar reduction in their drinks. Thirdly, ensure gender equity and empower all women and girls, as well as end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition. While for the environment, the Coca-Cola company aims to collect and recycle bottles and make 100% of packaging recyclable and returning 100% plus of water used in drinks, as well as reduce carbon footprint. The question is, what technologies do they use? Firstly, warehouse automation. Coca-Cola company used an automated storage and retrieval system. It could automatically move nearly 30,000 pallets through the warehouse. Therefore, it could reduce the need for external warehouses. It means that fewer pallet movement between products coming off the line and being routed for delivery. It also enables some warehouse staff to transition from being predominantly forklift truck drivers to become technicians, which their roles could become more technology focused. The company also using robotics and automation to overhaul its supply chains and logistics. Hence, it could achieve greater operational efficiencies, increase storage capacity, and reduce handling of materials. Secondly, real-time visibility. Charlotte headquarters Coca-Cola Consolidated is the largest Coca-Cola bottler in the US. The challenge faced by the company was the moving product from the many manufacturing units and whose output is needed within 48 hours. Moreover, from the unloading queue at the distribution center to be sent home where inbound trucks were within an hour of arriving due to the warehouses had no idea where the delivery trucks were. To address the problem, the company partnerships with a leading real-time visibility solution provider, which is 4Kites, to integrate GPS-enabled logging devices to the delivery trucks. Therefore, it enables and empowers its warehouses planning department, and production functions to operate with better information and improve execution. Thirdly, direct store delivery. Coca-Cola refreshments and other Coca-Cola products use the direct store delivery model to deliver to convenience retail customers. It could ensure that Coca-Cola products are in store and properly displayed to drive sales for the retailer. And account managers would discuss business building opportunities, check the in-outlet presentation of products, and write an order for product replenishment. The order is delivered to the store within 48 hours, and the driver merchandises the outlet by stocking the shelves, rotating product, and filling the coolers. This process happens depending on demand. The company also provides DSD customers, which is convenience retail store owners, to get the support of professionals who are dedicated to serving small format outlets. Next, route optimization technologies. Coca-Cola Enterprises is the world's largest producers and distributor distribute concentrate to the bottling partners and distributes bottled and canned drinks from bottling plants to distribution centers and from distribution center to final retail outlets. PCE face challenges such as certain orders and outlets require specific vehicle types and equipment. In order to address the problem, the company implemented a route optimization model that assigned all retail outlets to trips and assigned all trips to all truck drivers. Therefore, a well-optimized route helps to minimize the overall cost, meet the demand of customers, make delivery on time, and reduce fuel consumed, as well as ensure zero fuel deliveries. Next is performance monitoring. Red Classes, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Coca-Cola Consolidated and also a transportation provider. The company developed a system whereby weekly sales and operations executions costs engage teams in reviewing past performance and solving weekly demand and supply fluctuations. Therefore, with greater awareness of missions' critical performance data, the teams could make inventory on time and adjust transports based on real-time data. Lastly, blockchains. Coca-Cola's bottles implement blockchain technology to manage their cross-party transactions. The challenges are many intermediaries in the communication and cooperation with the partners, which slow down the processes and thus cost them huge expenses. In order to address the problem, they cooperate with German software firm SAP by using their blockchain solution to manage its supply chains. Therefore, it could help them to optimize the collaborations with its partners and the 116,000 orders per day, create more transparency and decrease costs. The last question is, what's their supply chain strategy? Firstly, long-term relationships with retail partners. Over the past few decades, Coca-Cola has proven to be one of the most valuable and reliable suppliers for its retail partners. For example, they're growing together with McDonald's since 1955. Secondly, collaborate close with bottling partners. The Coca-Cola Company provides a standard set of guidelines for all of its bottling partners and suppliers. Hence, most of the strategic decisions are centralized as well as the headquarters controls their operations. Thus, each bottling partner serves the respective geographical area through a head office. Thirdly, control quality strictly. This is because they have strict quality requirements for its manufacturing practices. Coca-Cola HBCs, a bottling franchise partner of Coca-Cola Enterprises, requires quality, environment, and health safety certifications from its suppliers. In addition, innovations, Coca-Cola Company incorporate technologies into the supply chain. For example, use 3D printing to manufacture bottles and cans for its drinks. Moreover, Global Supply Chain Councils. Coca-Cola Company is a beverage giant which has established the Global Supply Chain Councils, which consists of subcommittees that focus on adhering to its established supply chain strategy. Lastly, people is one of their supply chain strategy. Their logistic team consists of more than 100 people to ensure the safe journey of each bottle from factory to fridge. That's all from me. Thank you.